Okay, this little thing that you see in there, he's not even 4 months. Listen to him snoring. That's my puppy.